Welcome to Poland, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Here are some amazing and fun facts about this fascinating nation. Poland is home to the Białowieża Forest, one of the last and largest remaining parts of the primeval forest that once covered much of Europe. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a sanctuary for the European bison. Warsaw, the capital city, was almost completely destroyed during World War II but has been meticulously rebuilt. The old town is a testament to this incredible restoration effort. Poland boasts 16 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the medieval town of Toruń, the historic center of Kraków, and the Wieliczka Salt Mine, where you can explore underground chapels carved entirely out of salt. The country has a deep musical heritage, being the birthplace of the famous composer Frédéric Chopin. His music is celebrated worldwide, and there's a dedicated Chopin Museum in Warsaw. Poland's national symbol is the white eagle, a powerful emblem that appears on the country's coat of arms and flag. The Tatra Mountains, part of the Carpathian Range, offer stunning landscapes and are a popular destination for hiking, skiing, and mountaineering. Polish cuisine is hearty and flavorful. Traditional dishes like pierogi, kielbasa, and bigos are beloved both in Poland and around the world. Poland has a rich history of scientific achievement. Marie Curie, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, was born in Warsaw. She remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. The Wawel dragon is a famous legend from Kraków. According to the tale, the dragon lived in a cave at the foot of Wawel Hill and was eventually defeated by a clever shoemaker. Poland is a leading producer of amber, often referred to as Baltic gold. The coastal city of Gdansk is famous for its beautiful amber jewelry. The Masurian Lake District in northeastern Poland is a natural paradise, with over 2,000 lakes connected by rivers and canals, making it a popular destination for sailing and kayaking. Poland's educational system is highly regarded, and the country boasts one of the oldest universities in the world, the Jagiellonian University in Kraków, founded in 1364. The annual tradition of Wyanki, or the Midsummer Night Festival, celebrates the summer solstice with music, dancing, and the floating of wreaths on rivers. Poland has a vibrant and diverse cultural scene, with numerous festivals celebrating film, music, theater, and art throughout the year. Poland's history is marked by resilience and determination. From the Solidarity movement in the 1980s, which played a crucial role in ending communist rule, to its thriving democracy today, Poland continues to inspire with its spirit and strength. If you found this content interesting, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.